and the green are the only ones tied in on the table. So I tied the red side, which I disconnected it on the strip lighting on the table, and I tied the red into it, so they kind of oscillate back and forth from one another a little bit. I don't know if this camera's picking it up or not, but you'll see it glow after this goes out. That's an additive I put in the epoxy of phosphorescence, or whatever you want to call it, like you know. And so that's the reason it stays. So if you're going to notice that this is going to be in sync with itself, opposed to the other ones. Looks quite nice. And I don't know if these LEDs or ultraviolet LEDs are going to mess with this camera or not. But you can pretty much see it's got a pretty good effect there. I kind of like it. So, but that's it. Just a little update. I finally got this wired in, and I like it. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. And now that I've got this done, it's on to the kayak motors.